No credit check, guaranteed loan. Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, we are going to show you how you can get this no credit check loan that is guaranteed. Yes, you heard it right. This video will give you step-by-step guide, means how you can apply for it and get it. And remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon so you can get notified when we upload this video, and please smash that like button as it really helps the channel. So without any further ado, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So here is the biggest opportunity that you all have been waiting for, and this time is from Unify Financial Credit. Remember, we are going to give you step-by-step guide, so make sure you watch this video till the end without missing any part at all. Well, these sort of loans are known as short-term loans, and you can get funded fast and repay quickly. Remember, get funded fast and repay quickly with Unify short-term loans. We can bridge the gap until payday or provide a quick loan without excessive rates or fees. That's what the Unify is saying to its customers. These loans are known as quick loans and get fast cash, as we already mentioned, for unexpected expenses, emergencies or bills. But how much is the loan amount, how you can get it, what is the fee, is there any credit check at all? Well, we are going to give you complete details about it. Remember, the amount varies from $300, $400 and $500. There's a $20 non-refundable application fee. There is not credit qualifying, means there is no credit check and they're not going to check your credit at all if you would like to get this loan. And the biggest thing is that it is 0% interest. Remember, this is a 0% interest, means you won't have to pay anything at all. Well, now it's the time to show you how you can apply for this quick loan. Well, we are going to paste a link below in the video's description. All you need to do is to click on it and it will take you to this page, and right here you need to click right here. It says apply for a quick loan. Well, let's click on it. 3, 2, 1, let's click. When you click on it, this pop-up window will open. All you need to do is to continue. Right, click on the continue, we mean, and then click right here on non-member. If you're not a member already, then you need to write this caption because they would like to verify that you are a human or a robot. Well, right here all you need to do is to put the caption, so let us put it, and after putting it, all you need to do is to click on next. When you do that, they're going to ask you what sort of financial product you require. Well, right here we are going to apply for personal loans, so we're going to click on it and let's write $500, right? Let's click next, and right here they're going to give you this application. Let us zoom in so you can actually see it properly. Well, you need to fill this application: your first name, your middle name, your last name, your suffix, social security number, date of birth, current street address, city, state, zip code, how long have you lived this address, you own or rent a place, your contact number, email address and confirmation email address. Remember that this is an example application for the personal loan. If you would like to get the quick loan, all you need to do is to first become a member of Unified Credit Union, and it's really simple. You simply go to their website online and just click on becoming a member, and you follow the prompts, and that's how you can become a member. Remember, if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below and we will be happy to answer each and every question of yours. Let us know what do you think about this Unify Financial Credit Union loan, and if you would like to see more credit products, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, and if you haven't, then please smash the like button. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.